Hello, this is Daddy and Kyle today. Kyle is autistic and he's got his Dyson sweatshirt on, and he's got his little friend the Furby with him as well. Just going to give you an update on the very first Hoover Junior. This is the first of a long line of machines. There's a noise. What's so good about this machine was we picked it up from somebody who had it on pre-loved for £10. I then paid the shipping, which was £15.
Yeah.
I've put about £12 worth of stuff into it, which was brushes. I had to replace the flex, which was a black rubber-free core, and a new belt for it, and just cleaned it. What I like about this machine, mechanically, you can actually replace the brushes in it without taking the machine apart. You unscrew that and the brushes pop out. Actually, so here it is. This is the update. So we're just going to see how well this 80-year-old vacuum cleaner, which only has a 225 watt motor, will pick up. Going to fire him up, Kyle? It's picking the carpet up now. That's how much suction this little 225 watt motor's got on it. Right, look, put that up. The other main difference with this one is, this one has got a smaller belt. It's probably about a third smaller than a standard Hoover Junior belt.
Dad.
Right, we're not doing that now. Put that back on. So that's just the update on the Hoover Junior, 1935. Say bye, Kyle. And there's his new toy one he got yesterday. Charity shop, £1.50. So see you later, Kyle.